Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by confirming essential prerequisites. Make sure your API pen runs firmware v1.x and is charged at least 50%. Plug it in or enable Bluetooth, then open the companion app and sign in with your API key or OAuth credential. Once connected, allow the app permissions for device access and file transfer. Do this now so you avoid interruptions. You should see a live device indicator. If not, recheck cable seating or toggle Bluetooth and try pairing again. Once done connecting, you configure the call, pick the target endpoint or project and select payload format, JSON or binary. You map local variables to API parameters by dragging fields into the request template. This ensures the pen sends the correct data. Make sure to preview the request body and headers. Then set sensible network options, for example a 5's timeout and 3 retries, so you handle intermittent drops. If mapping looks wrong, correct types before sending to avoid malformed requests. Now you send the data. Start with a small test packet and watch the response code and body in the app. You want 200-level success or a clear error. Once verified, run the full transmission and log responses to local storage, then export CSV or JSON for audit. If something goes wrong, stop and review logs, confirm permissions and endpoint URL, and retry using the local emulator before reattempting on the real device. This approach saves time and prevents repeated failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.